It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Friday, the 2nd of July. I'm James Spann. Showers ending this evening. A really nice weekend ahead for much of the state. And, of course, eyes are on Hurricane Elsa coming through the far eastern Caribbean this afternoon. Here we go. A lot of things to discuss. This is the upper air look. A really nice trough over the eastern states that is pushing a cold front southward. That cold front over the Tennessee Valley of North Alabama. Behind the front, we have a north wind, a clear sky, dropping dew points. South of the front, we have numerous showers and thunderstorms around. That was the radar composite around 2:30. The bulk of the showers and storms along and south of Interstate 20. That rain will continue to push southward tonight, and dry air will overspread the northern two-thirds of the state late tonight and tomorrow. Temperatures again today, way below average, upper 70s and low 80s in most spots. Only 77 for Anniston and Auburn. Clanton, 74 with rain falling. There's the watch warning map. The east is quiet. Still a few scattered heat issues back in the northwestern states. Got a marginal risk of severe storms with the front for parts of the east coast and the northeast United States through tonight. Tomorrow, a marginal risk over the high plains. And day 3, which is Sunday, no organized severe weather expected across the country. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. This includes the rain we've experienced today, and this is suggesting the heavier totals down in South Alabama. North Alabama generally under 1/2 inch. And again, after this evening, the weather's going to be dry for much of Alabama tomorrow into early next week. So the tropics, Elsa becoming a hurricane. How about that? Top winds 85 miles an hour. This thing is moving very rapidly to the west-northwest at almost 30 miles an hour. It really can't strengthen much with that type of forward motion. And here's the latest track from the Hurricane Center. It brings it across the tip of Hispaniola tomorrow night. And as it begins to interact with these islands, weakening is likely, comes across Cuba Sunday night and Monday morning, and then curves up toward Fort Myers and Jacksonville, Florida, Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Look at modeling on this. We've got the tropical set, the ATCF guidance, and some of the members keep it offshore. They recurve it just off the east coast of the United States. Most of the members bring it up along that NHC track. This is the GFS ensemble. I'd say it's a little bit of an outlier to the left, and the European, a little bit of an outlier to the right. But again, I think the NHC certainly has the right idea with their track. And this is the intensity guidance, and you can see steady weakening over the next 5 days as, again, the system interacts with land and encounters some wind shear over the Gulf of Mexico. Most likely this will be a big rainmaker for the Florida Peninsula. But again, still a little too early to be specific about the impact on Florida. So let's take a look at the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Got that nice, cool trough on the eastern seaboard, and a really nice day for much of Alabama. Sunny, lower humidity, dew points coming down in the 50s, highs mid-80s, showers confined to the Gulf Coast region. And even there, not a washout, just scattered showers and storms. Same thing Sunday, mostly sunny. We're going to see some 50s early Sunday morning. How about that? The high Sunday, upper 80s. The sky will stay sunny for most of the state. And Monday, moisture tries to creep back northward, but again, we'll leave it mostly dry for North Alabama. Go to Tuesday. We'll bring in the chance of a few scattered showers. Elsa on the GFS here is southwest of Tampa. Wednesday, Elsa coming into South Georgia, east of Alabama. And this is Thursday, the remnant circulation north and east of here. And almost every bit of guidance we're seeing keeps Alabama on the drier west side of the system. And the same thing for the central Gulf Coast. But this is suggesting we'll see some showers around Thursday of next week. And this is a week from today, Friday the 9th. Got an upper high over the Four Corners back in the western states, upper trough over the northeast, and again around here, pretty moist air, so scattered showers and storms. And again, that'll be the theme for the latter half of next week, but most likely the big impacts in terms of rain from Elsa will be east of Alabama. But remember, that's subject to change. We'll go out 10 days. This is Monday, July the 12th, upper troughing to the north, and again, evidence of a few scattered showers and storms around. Rain from Birmingham off the GFS ensemble, the mean about 3 inches between now and the 18th of July. Temperatures most days, highs in the mid to upper 80s. Again, that cool morning Sunday, Birmingham at 63, many spots in the 50s. Then dew points come up for much of next week with lows around 70. And hot off the presses, the brand new CPC outlook for July 10th through July the 16th. Love seeing blue on that map this time of the year. Once again, this is suggesting temperatures here will be below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. My next video will be posted here by Monday morning at 6 o'clock. We'll have notes on the blog if you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.